Transform your 2D floor plans into breathtaking, photorealistic 3D designs that captivate your clients from their very first look. Welcome to Prismm Virtual Plan and Design. Turn dreams into reality faster than ever. Amaze your customers with 3D floor plans so vivid, they'll feel like they're standing right in the middle of the room. The best part? You don't have to be bogged down by complicated tools. Prismm lets you build layouts fast, add furniture, and choose from an enormous object library to curate immersive floor plans in just a few clicks. Effortlessly collaborate with anyone, anytime. Make changes on the fly to instantly respond to and align with your customers using integrated video conferencing, messaging, and comments. Step into the future of spatial design and transform the way you plan and design events.